Welcome to the Maldives, a paradise where over 1,000 coral islands shimmer in the Indian Ocean, each a jewel of turquoise and white. Here, nature's artistry is on full display, inviting you to leave your worries behind and simply be. But beyond the beauty, the Maldives is a realm of surreal wonders, glowing beaches, vanishing islands, and luxury that floats above the sea. Join me as we uncover the secrets, marvel at the wildlife, and witness the most unbelievable places in this living, breathing wonder. Let our journey begin. Our first stop, Vaadhoo Maldives, is the postcard-perfect vision of the islands. Elegant villas on stilts overlook a lagoon so clear, the sea and sky merge into one. The house reef, just steps away, bursts with vibrant coral and darting fish. Here, refined luxury meets raw nature, offering a private window into one of Earth's most precious ecosystems. Vaadhoo is tranquility, intimacy, and the Maldives at its most iconic. As night falls on Vaadhoo Island, the shoreline comes alive with a magical blue glow. This sea of stars is caused by bioluminescent phytoplankton lighting up with every wave and footstep. Walking here feels like treading on a fallen constellation, the sand sparkling beneath your feet. It's a surreal, humbling reminder of the hidden wonders our world holds. The ocean and cosmos meet in silent, luminous conversation. On Mudhdhoo Island, time slows to a gentle rhythm. No resorts, no crowds, just endless white beaches, shallow lagoons, and coconut palms. The silence is profound, broken only by the wind and distant waves. Here, luxury is space, solitude, and the freedom to reconnect with nature. Mudhdhoo is a sanctuary for the soul. Vaadhoo Island reveals the Maldives' green side, famed for its lush farms and sweet watermelons. Wander through plantations, meet local farmers, and savor the island's bounty. After exploring, retreat to beaches as stunning as any in the atolls. Vaadhoo is where agriculture, community, and ocean life blend in perfect harmony. It's a holistic slice of Maldivian life. On Coco Island, design and nature merge in tranquil elegance. Overwater villas inspired by traditional dhoni boats curve gracefully above the lagoon. Minimalist interiors focus your gaze on endless ocean views. It's a sanctuary for quiet contemplation, sunrise yoga, and pure peace. Coco Island is serenity, redefined. Dive into Banana Reef, the legendary site that put Maldivian diving on the map. Its banana-shaped formation teems with vibrant fish, dramatic cliffs, and hidden caves. Beginners and experts alike find wonder in its underwater world. Moray eels, schools of snapper, and colorful corals await every explorer. Banana Reef is a timeless classic of the Maldives' marine realm. Honeymoon Bay hosts one of nature's grandest gatherings. During the monsoon, hundreds of manta rays and even whale sharks converge to feed on plankton. Snorkeling here is a breathtaking, almost spiritual experience. Giant wings swirling in a hypnotic ballet. It's a rare, unforgettable connection with the wild. Honeymoon Bay is nature's spectacle at its finest. At night, Maya Thila transforms into a stage for the ocean's secret life. Divers' torches reveal hunting reef sharks, camouflaged octopuses, and shimmering bioluminescence. The reef buzzes with nocturnal drama and primal survival. Every night dive here is a journey into the unknown. Maya Thila is the Maldives' most thrilling after-dark adventure. Photeo Kandu is the ultimate dive for thrill seekers. Strong currents have sculpted tunnels, overhangs, and golden coral curtains. Eagle rays, reef sharks, and massive schools of fish glide through this alien landscape. It's a humbling showcase of the ocean's raw power and beauty. Photeo Kandu is underwater exploration at its peak. At the Muraka, luxury descends beneath the waves. Sleep in a master bedroom 5 meters underwater, surrounded by panoramic views of the reef. Watch fish and turtles drift past your bed in this private, immersive aquarium. The Muraka is a surreal blend of comfort and wonder. Here you don't just visit the ocean, you live within it. At Ithea, the world's first all-glass undersea restaurant, dining becomes an aquatic spectacle. Descend into a transparent chamber surrounded by vibrant coral gardens and curious marine life. Exquisite cuisine is served with a panoramic view of the ocean's wonders. Ithea is a feast for the senses, truly unforgettable. Sonavafushi redefines indulgence with its no news, no shoes philosophy. Sustainability and luxury go hand in hand. Solar power, no plastic, and villas hidden in the jungle. Organic gardens and stargazing observatories complete the experience. Sonavafushi proves that true luxury can be gentle on the planet. The Maldives' sandbanks are vanishing islands, pristine crescents that appear only at low tide. Walk, picnic, and swim on land that will disappear by sunset. It's a powerful lesson in impermanence and the dance between land and sea. Standing here, you feel the beauty and fragility of every moment. On Mudhdhoo Island, the dense jungle creates a sanctuary of silence. Step away from the shore and enter a world of near-perfect stillness. It's a place for meditation, reflection, and reconnecting with yourself. In a noisy world, silence is the Maldives' rarest luxury. From a seaplane, Ba Atoll appears as a celestial map. Green islands floating in endless blue. This UNESCO Biosphere Reserve protects some of the richest marine life on Earth. The view is a reminder of the Maldives' ecological importance and fragile beauty. It's a living portrait of resilience and wonder. The Maldives is more than a destination, it's a feeling. It's the glow of starlit beaches, the peace of silent jungles, and the awe of swimming with giants. Here, every moment is a secret shared between you and nature. This paradise asks only for your respect and wonder in return. If you felt the magic, like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures. Thank you for joining me. Until next time.